Hi, boys and girls. It's time for Sounds with Mr. Slates. Let's go ahead and start with alphabet. But remember, we're going to sing the alphabet song, and we're going to sing the sounds, not the names of our letters. Are you ready? Try it with me, and let's go a little faster this time. Here we go. A, B, K, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, O, M, N, A, P, Q, R, S, T, A, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Great job. Let's do our second sound activity. You remember this. I say a big word, you echo the word, and then we're going to take off the ending, and you tell me what word is left. Are you ready? Here we go. Say moonlight. Without light, the word is moon. Excellent. Say grassland. Without land, the word is grass. Awesome. Say leapfrog. Without frog, the word is leap. Say doorway. Without way, the word is door. Say forehead. Without head, the word is for. Say indoors. Without doors, the word is in. Great job. Say grapefruit. Without fruit, the word is grape. Ooh, I love grapes. Say outside. Without side, the word is out. You knew that one. Say aircraft. Without craft, the word is air. Last one. Say handbag. Oops, I took it away, didn't I? Without bag, the word is hand. Awesome. Now it's time for a new sound activity. It's called blending. We can blend two or more sounds together to make real words. And I need a helper today for our blending sound activity. Everyone say hi to Mario. Say hi, Mario. Hi. Mario's a moose, and he talks very slowly. Watch how we do this blending activity. Mario's going to say two sounds, and our job is to guess what word those sounds make when we blend them together. Are you ready? I'll do the first one for you. Mario, do our sounds. What word is Mario saying? Can you do it again, Mario? At. He's saying the word at. Did you hear it? Your turn. Next one. As. What word is Mario saying? As. Did you hear it? Next one. It. What's Mario saying? It. That's the word. Next one. Up. He didn't say down. He said up. Last one. Ready, Mario? On. What did he say? He said on. All right, everyone say bye, Mario. All right, boys and girls, great job today with sounds. I'll see you again next time.